Hello, this is Dave, and welcome to Equity Story. Oh, another sort of interesting day on the markets today. We're at the moment it's about sort of 2:30 in the afternoon, and our market's down about sort of 1.78%. And again, you can see really since July last year we've been in this sort of downtrend. Equity Story, we managed to sort of generally trade our way through it and still be making good money for our members. But as you can see the chart here, we've got this sort of really perfect sort of sell signal forming on a weekly chart. So it looks really ugly. I suppose some hope at the moment. What we're trading about sort of 4991. If we can just bounce up a little bit higher, at least hold above that sort of 5,000 level by the end of the day, I think might be some type of support. Anyway, the sentiment is pretty negative, but happily for Equity Story, we've got a great number of stocks that are actually doing really well today. Again, one of those is Eden Energy. This is a stock that, originally we bought it at 4 cents. I think for the last week or two, I've been encouraging members to have a look at this story again, because the chart looks like it's really starting to heat up. They had a great announcement that came out today, which we posted to all the members. And again, I don't think you can get a better looking short-term chart, and also that long-term chart looks absolutely excellent. Um, when you look at the chart like this, it tells me that Eden Energy is going to potentially, the market's waking up to this great little story, and I think could be going potentially a lot higher over the next few months. Another one of these sort of small 10 baggers we've got, one that we really like the story, is locality planning. And again, they had a very I think good announcement that came out today, explaining that their sales was up, and the clients were up about 21%. And this has got a great little business model, LPE. And I think if you look at the share price and look at the story and the share price action, I think this could be a great story for us this year as well. Again, yesterday we're talking about ORE, fantastic long-term chart, and that short-term chart starting to really sort of heat up. We've got we're not interested in taking 5, 6, 7% out of this stock. I think it's got this nice little buy signal forming on the MACD here. That is a perfect sort of chart you want to be buying into, and I think the fundamentals of ORE are absolutely fantastic. We believe this stock potentially is worth at least $5 or $6, and I think it's going up in the short term. So if it's not on your radar, definitely put ORE on your radar, because again, we are real believers in this little lithium play in Argentina, and that chart looks absolutely stunning. I'd just like to say Blue Sky today, we took profits. Again, great looking trending trend. In normal times, you don't sell these stocks. This is a fantastic trend, but just with our market being so negative, if we go and we make 6-7% at the moment, we're just taking it. I think it's a sensible move, especially if sort of I think if the Dow does come off, BLA potentially could come off with it. And again, so we're happy to get that one sold and obviously bag the cash. Just having a look at those weekly buy and sell signals that we put out on Sundays. Again, I think in a pretty sort of week they've done really well. MTR really sort of held its own against the market. Vocus is up. Again, we just need that focus. These are the charts that we want to put people into. Fantastic looking chart. We're just hoping to get that 850 before we cash out and take some profits. And Hansen Group, again, what a great looking chart, Hansen. We took profits on this, but put out the buy signal the other day. But what a great looking chart. Looks absolutely stunning. And API, again, at one stage this was up. Let me have a look here. Opened the week at 192. At one stage it was up nearly 199. Since then it's come back, but a fantastic looking chart. And again, I think Blackmore's, what a great little price action, a really strong little buy signal. So I think it should do well next week. I think importantly, we did say to you at the beginning of this week that the banks looked really weak, and if you can see, uh, I think the banks are going to go down even more next week, and certainly ANZ. This has got a classic sell signal. See, the last sell signal, it was back in December, January this year, and really did go down about nearly $2, over $2 on that sell signal. Again, it's got a perfect little sell signal forming, and I think to me it looks like it's going to go to $20. Certainly looks very, very weak. And again, Westpac or CBA, again, absolutely terrible looking chart. Westpac, again, gone through little sell signal as well, and NAB looks absolutely terrible. So stay away from those banks. I think they're not that sort of safe haven that everyone believes they are in the short term or possibly the medium term, and obviously concentrate on these other companies that we're putting into. And one of our trending stocks again, it's up today, really against the general center of the market. Burson Group again, it's an absolutely great looking chart. Listen, I'd like to wish you have a great weekend, enjoy yourself, and I look forward to bringing you this report on Monday. Thank you, and speak to you soon. Bye bye.